Guys, welcome back. So today I'm gonna unbox Boya by MM1. As you can see, is a universal cardioid microphone, and this is a shoot gun, and this is under 2000. So that's what's most attracting thing. So as you can see over here on the box, you can see the features compatible with smartphone, tablets, DSLR, and other consumer products. So it's compact, lightweight, rugged material, and specifications have been given, and the price is not 3,750. It's around under 2000. Okay, so let's see what's inside the box. So as you open the box, you're gonna see this dead cat muffler and a microphone and cables, two cables. You got two cables, one for DSLR and one for smartphone, and it's a stand where you can keep it on the your tripod, and it has a standard one, not extra large one as you found on road. So and you got this cover. It's a metal quality is so good, man. I'm feeling it. Okay, and I love this purse, and you don't require battery. That's a great thing. And you got a manual which you are not going to read it for sure. So this is how what you get in the box. So based on my experience is that this is super good. The quality is build quality is super good, and it's way good for vloggers. For indoor people, it's gonna be a little bit of disappointment because of the audio quality of indoor, but for vloggers, it's a must. So I would suggest, if you are gonna vlog with it and go out and have fun, then this is a must under 2000. And if you are an indoor person, I would not recommend it, because if you have money, I would say go for it. If you don't have money, I would say you got a lot cheaper ones on market for indoor, for vlogging, and say that you must take this for under 2000 if you want to start a career in vlogging. It's a must, because if you don't have money, it's a must. So this is a simple unboxing review and what I have experienced with it. Okay, so this is plain pure about my experience. I don't know about how other feels, so it's based on my experience. So thanks for watching, hope you like it. So if you want more of this kind of videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.